everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for watching this video and my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a top knot and or bun, whatever you wanna call it, 2 different ways when you have short hair like me. So this may look like, actually I think this is short, but this is even shorter back here. And I love a good top knot and I've been wearing it that way, and a lot of people have asked me like, how did you do that with your hair so short? If you wanna see how I put my short hair into a top knot and bun 2 different ways, then just keep on watching. All right, so obviously start with your hair down. So there's a couple things you'll need. You will need a brush. You will need 2 different hair ties. I prefer the Invisibobbles. I know this isn't Invisible, but it's that brand. You can use whatever you want. But then you also need a rubber band that's not too tight, but not too loose. So I just have this one here. You also need bobby pins. So just kind of grab a handful because it depends on the length of your hair, how many you will need. For this first version, you will also need one of these sponges. It looks like a little donut. It's spongy. I got it, I guess it's a brownish black. This might be a blackish color. It's darker than my hair, but whatevs. They make it in a bunch of different colors. I'll put some links below of like where you can pick this up. I'm gonna do this one first and then I'll do the second way. All right, so first you wanna put your hair into a high ponytail. Wait till you see how how short my hair is. I like mine like kind of high. And I grab my Invisibobble, or whichever one you want. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. I just like the way these feel. Okay, so my hair is in a high ponytail. The first thing I wanna do, this is like the easiest thing ever. So what you wanna do is take your sponge and put your ponytail through the sponge, and then you fan it out. So you just fan it like this. I mean, like, do you see what I'm doing here? So you take the ponytail and it falls, and then you just like spread the ponytail around so that it's covering the sponge. And even with this amount of hair, this little amount of hair, you can still do it. You can kind of just like feel it, like you can feel where the sponge is. Once you have it, you take that looser band, this one right here, and you put it over like that. Now you have a bun. Oh, actually that side, yep, that's good. Now you have like all these weird little pieces here. You just gotta tuck them in. You just go like this, move them around. And this is nice because they usually cover that rubber band. And then you take a bobby pin and you just secure it that, and you have your bun. Now it makes it look like you have a ton of hair. So now you gotta take care of these guys here. I like to do the cross method, like at the X. So what I do is I put one bobby pin this way, I put the other one on top of it so it kind of like locks, and then I do that like a bunch more times. So there you go, now you have a top knot. You have this like perfect bun. You can like loosen up your hair if you want to make it look a little less harsh, just kind of pull out some of it. But there you go. Now I have a bun. I went from like super short hair to a bun. All right, so I'm gonna show you a second way to do this without the sponge. So let's say if you don't have the sponge and you're like, I wanna put my hair in a top knot tonight and I don't have time to go to the store, I got you covered. One moment, please. You still wanna put your hair in a ponytail, just like the other one. And you have it here and it's kind of flimsy, like there's not much going on. So what you wanna do is take this, you wanna take your ponytail in pieces and tease each piece. So I'm just gonna take like a 1-inch section here. I'll lean back so you can see. You wanna go all the way to the end because that's what's gonna give it more volume. And I'm just teasing it one way. Just keep taking more pieces, not like there's that many. But you could feel how fine or like how little bit of hair I have here. So I just keep teasing, you can see. Sorry, I'm trying to lean back. There we go. So teasing it all, then I kind of tease the whole thing. You got a big puffy, that actually looks kind of cute. And then you just wrap it around. So I'm gonna hold the base here with my hand. I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna make sure these pieces go in. And I'm kind of, there's like almost like air inside. That's like what I'm doing here. This guy does not wanna stay. Okay. And then I take a bobby pin. I pop it in to wherever it ends. Sometimes it ends in the front, sometimes it's the side, sometimes it's the back. And then just adjust your bun how you want it. You can put hairspray on it to keep it to have it stay longer. But there you go, you have your top knot now, and you don't even need the sponge. And it makes it look like you have a lot of hair. So that's it, it's really easy. Whether you use a sponge or you don't use a sponge, there's a way to get a top knot even if you got your hair chopped like I did. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. bye.